armada has arrived and invaded our planet. Wave after wave have attacked us with a ferocity never seen before. To battle this new threat, the Power Rangers must master the abilities of the legendary Rangers to become Super Megaforce.
Excellent. The electrical storm conditions are perfect. Have you located the power mid my brother Varrock was working on?
Yes, sire. The storm should energize Varrock's power crystal and allow us to activate the power mid's incredible destructive force. But we must move quickly.
Don't tell me what to do. Now, move quickly.
I have deployed Commander Sajingor. Soon this planet will be ours.
Check on the communication module.
Be careful, Tensu. I sense an electrical storm gathering. Your metallic frame could possibly attract a lightning strike.
Okie dokie. I'll only be out there for a minute. Whoa! Gosei was right. Those clouds don't look friendly at all. Whoa! I better hurry and get back inside. Whoa! What's just happened to me? Wait. I don't even know who me is. Who am I? Where am I? Hello? Is anybody out there?
Hey, guys.
Hey, buddy. What's up with the umbrella?
Are you kidding me? There's this freaky lightning storm going on right now.
Oh, awesome. I love lightning. Well, you know, from a distance.
I'm sorry, guys. No Froyo today. The machine's busted.
What is it, Gosei?
Rangers, Tensu went outside and did not come back. I need you to find him.
Maybe he got scared away because of the storm passing through. You know, the thunder and lightning?
That could very well be, Noah.
We're on a Gosei.
Froyo repairs. What is the delay? We must harness the storm's power now. This could be our best chance to crush the Rangers, and I won't lose it. Activate the power mid and destroy them all.
I'm glad that storm finally let up.
None of this looks familiar. Why is everyone ignoring me? That wasn't nice. Well, they're all too busy to even notice me. Am I really that short? Oh, hello. Can you tell me who I am? Or anything at all? Hello? Fine. Be that way. How rude. I wish I were taller so they'd pay attention to me. Maybe that furry guy can tell me who I am. Hello? Throw me a bone here.
Tensu! Tensu?
Oh, well, who's that handsome guy? Huh? Wait a minute. That's me. Well, whoever I am, I'm a looker.
Guys, I spotted Tensu. I'm going in.
Huh? Ooh, another me.
a tan raincoat took Tensu on the 875 bus towards Carson Street. I think he mistook him for his suitcase.
Carson Street, I'm 3 blocks away. I'm on it.
Hey! Bus driver! Wait!
I've been captured. Better stay quiet till I can escape.
Enjoy your food!
Hello? Yes, I have it with me.
Oh,
I'm bringing it to you.
oh boy.
Hey! Wait! Slow down! Come on! Whoa! Excuse me! Hey! Hey!
Where is he?
Ha! There he is.
Huh?
Hey, Tensu.
Huh?
Tensu.
What's a Tensu?
Tensu.
Bless you.
Oh, thank you.
You know, I have some truly horrible allergies. I've had them for years. I found out when I bought my first cat jelly bean, and I just started sneezing and sneezing, and eventually I had to give her away. Oh, you're probably sneezing because of this weather. Did you see the storm that came through this morning? What a doozy.
Oh, no. Can you stop the bus, please? Stop the bus, please. Man. Guys, I think I lost them. They might have gone through Hodges Park. I don't know.
I'm nearby. I'll look for them there.
Jake!
Emma, good. You're here. There's something wrong with Tensu. He doesn't recognize me.
Yeah, I saw him trying to talk to the suitcase.
Man, looks just like him.
We have to find them before that man realizes that Tensu is not his real suitcase.
Okay, let's go.
There's no sign of a guy in a trench coat or Tensu.
Have you found Tensu yet?
We lost them.
What are you doing?
Looking for a tag or a label or something. Maybe it'll give us a clue.
Wait. What if we open it? Maybe there's some kind of info on the guy inside, like ID or something.
What if there's $1 million inside?
No. It doesn't belong to us. We can't just look into someone's case without their permission.
Yeah, you're right.
Guys, I see Tensu and the man who has him. Drop them all.
All right, we're on our way.
Okay. Hey, Gia, where are you?
I'm on the first floor.
Where is he?
He went that way. Throw me the suitcase. I'll try and switch them.
I got it. Go, Gia!
I am going.
Go!
Sorry.
We see a monster with a bunch of exports.
Can you handle them? We don't want to lose Tensu.
Yeah, we can handle them.
Hey! Why are you always interfering, humans? Today I have a mission to complete on Mount Idealna.
Not on our watch. Come on.
Let's power up! Super Mega Mode!
Minutes away. I'll take care of it. It's what I do.
Excuse me. Do you happen to know what time it is?
Hang on. 3:37. But you should know you're wearing a watch.
Oh, silly me. Of course I am. I'm always forgetting stuff. Have a good day.
Sorry, just some kid wanting to know the time.
Tensu!
Hey, how are you guys?
Take it easy.
What are you doing? Help!
Quiet, Tensu. Calm down. We're friends, remember?
Ken who? What? I don't know you.
Okay, this isn't working. We've got to keep him undercover for now.
You're right. Hold on.
They did say they were friends. I hope this is a good idea. Oh. Hey, little guy. Looks like we're in the same boat. All right. Push on, my friends. Whoever you are.
Legendary mode! Dino Thunder Tricera Shield!
No! Where did it go? My power prism!
We need to save our strength.
Got it! Now to destroy your world!
No! He got away! We gotta find him, now!
How's Tensu doing?
He's a bit confused. You'll have to take a look at him.
Okay, the monster disappeared. It had some sort of stone that seemed to be important to him. He said he was headed to Mount Idealna.
We'll meet you there. Come on.
This is it! The weapon Vrock never finished! Prince Vicar, allow me to report. We have found the location of the power mid.
You know what to do, Commander. Insert the power prism now.
Yes, Your Highness. The power mid is activated.
How far are you?
We're almost there. I want to get back in the stroller.
Power! Such incredible power!
Looks like somebody's trying to stop us from reaching the top. Come on.
Good timing, guys. We can use some help.
Better make sure Tensu stays safe.
Ready? Go, Megaforce! Super Mega Mode!
Whoever you are, you're sure brave.
Hang tight, buddy. Now let's take care of these guys.
Time for me to do my part. And run away! Watch where you're falling. Shutting down.
That's all of them. Wait, Tensu!
Tensu!
Tensu, you all right?
Rebooting!
Tensu?
Where am I? Who am I? Wait a minute! I know who I am! I'm Tensu! What am I doing here? Where's Dosei?
It's a long story.
But it'll have to wait.
Welcome back, Tensu. Rangers, a monster is absorbing the massive power of this morning's storm. Soon his strength will be greater than even your combined might. Get to the mountaintop right away.
We're on it, Gosei. Come on, guys.
Ah, be careful. I've got fragile parts.
I'll be gentle.
Still charging up.
Let's go.
Soon I'll be the mightiest creature on this planet!
Quick! We don't have much time! It's Marvin time!
Well, maybe this isn't so bad.
I'm full now! Full of power! What? Rangers, you're too late!
Hang tight.
Go get it, Rangers!
You can't match my power now!
Time to go Super Mega! Let's power up! Super Mega mode! Now, let's get him!
I'm more powerful than you can comprehend! That's just a taste of what's to come!
Time for Legendary Squadron mode! I'll go Mighty Morphin! Legendary Ranger mode! It's Morphin time! Mighty Morphin White Ranger Saba! Ha! Ha! Orion! Doc!
Legendary Strike! Ready!
Right!
Curse you!
He sure is a stubborn one.
A hard head's more fun to pound on.
We'll stop him with the power of the Zeo Crystal! Legendary Ranger mode, Zeo! Power Rangers, Zeo! Let's go for it! Dynamite attack! Guess he couldn't weather that storm. All right! Wait, he's not finished?
He's tougher than we thought.
I told you the power I absorbed from the power mid is unequaled. Nothing can stop me. Now I'll do what no other monster before me could do.
This can't be good.
Witness the end of your world, Rangers.
It's an asteroid. If it hits the Earth, we're done for. It's an asteroid. If it hits the Earth, we're done for.
We've got to stop it before it's too late.
Maximize the commander now!
Boss, not yet.
Out of my way! One of our plans is finally working. I'll distract the Rangers so they can't stop us. Bang!
See? Now an even bigger storm is brewing.
Summon the skyship. Release the Zords!
Super Mega Wheeler! Super Mega Stuff!
Super Mega Racer!
Super Mega Jet!
Zords combine! Legendary Megazord! Ready! Let's finish him! Then stop that asteroid! Let's go Legendary! Red Lion and Samurai powers! Combine! Legendary Samurai Megazord! Ready! Q-Rex Megazord! Activate! Q-Rex Megazord! Ready!
You'll never stop me or that rock!
We gotta shut him down! Fast! Your turn!
We need to finish him.
Now! Samurai Fire Smasher!
That's gonna leave a mark!
Samurai Strike!
Foolish Rangers! You've just sealed your destruction! Look up in the sky!
Oh no! The asteroid's entered the atmosphere!
It will hit the Earth in exactly 57 seconds. You must stop it.
It's massive. If we can't stop it from hitting, it'll take out all life on Earth. What are we going to do?
Guys, what's the plan? Blast it into space dust.
Super Mega Cannon!
Oh, it didn't work?
This is bad. This is very, very bad.
What do we do now?
Think fast. Wait. Yeah, that might work. I think I can use my drill to break it apart.
But how?
I just need to get to it.
We can throw you, but it's dangerous.
There's no other choice.
All right. Remember, you got to time your drill strike just right, or you'll be crushed.
Then I guess I better time it right.
Good luck. We're all counting on you. Go!
Come on, come just a little closer. Let's do this! Super Mega Triple Drill Attack! Ha! Yes, it worked!
Nice!
He did it!
I knew he could.
Super Mega Rangers, that's a mega win!
Thank you, Rangers, for another job well done. And of course, thank you for returning Tensu.
Yeah, and it looks like he sure likes his new toy.
Nice. Check out my wheels. I'm styling.
See you later, Tensu.
Bye.
Okay?
See you soon, Rangers. This should keep him busy for a while. And me entertained.
Hey, Ernie.
Hey guys, just in time. The Froyo machine's back up and running. Here's a low-fat treat.
Well, that ought to do it. You had to block the valve in your Froyo pump.
Oh, thanks again for bringing a replacement part for the Froyo machine.
By the way, I'd keep an eye on those kids if I were you. They seem kind of suspicious.